Kuramjari ma'am, ay nga si ma'am da kainom ta hajage ko. Ako yi Manipuri ramdam jada mi khara leri ko ay ki sum lan ba khot pai ming sina ga khara thagalak pa je video do ro post ro. Ay media na ta bro jo ay khang de. I don't have any knowledge about it. Adobu mi on the khara nung shibiba ay bu mi nung shibiba ma'am na ay on the hari ko. Ichen Licypriya si nangi ming sina ka si smana video thagale khole je. Smana post ro je. Ay naging jing de ay khang de si matang da. But I na hiding it, ma'am the clarify something it. Sigum bathabak cha. Some clarification am the chung the pot me ko. Singto singjing am the darkar tate. And this will be my last clarification also. Akoy ki ay si hantag ay video thagalak pa khara lai ko. Ya poster pa. Do ay na so hiding it. No ay on the interview to adi. My door is always open. Ay yung the lakage lao interview to lao. Ay cannot kaide. Nobody is stopping you. Ay public to jum ma'am na number Kang mado, ado don't phone to video, ado the wise hanache. I don't have any problem with that. I email faktoga, seeing wala, I invitation do karam mano karino, kamana I on the pangi kolido, I'm maintaining a di, proof to el loyle. Because I na kay am the boy na alan ba, arang by na kay why would I spread fake news? I na do the wangang or college. I na am ginatra, tabak to bija. And also, whenever I'm doing something good for this society, ako yung Manipur kita magtoro. Ma'am na jukam kani na tabak ma'am to ito. Ay na Manipur ki ma'am, mga students ki ma'am, children ki ma'am, people ki ma'am kita magtanay na natro to eja. Adong magpawa tabak timo na puturak tabida ay buhat na bagi tabak to eja kay gino. Ako yung Manipur da ay na tong problem jahay je. Unity jo malay adugo that's out of the topic. Mi ja mapawa tabak to rakanda. Support to dabida, inkat ki hona dabida na. Hatok na ba matoy ko. So what I'm trying to say is that ay yung dala interview to gedyo to lao ay kainom ta kaide. Adugo ako gi brother amajori ko miyam na khang gani Jodha Kangujam. Adudo ay na hiding je brother ay na to iba I'm not affiliated with the NGOs mo na ayon da program invite to aga ay na chat pa junatte. I on the invitation slide direct United Nations ta gini ko. Aduga brother na jo amik ta siumat hari je ay am nung ay te hay tare. Nana yuan da chakke jo chalu. It's none of my business. Chakke chalu chakke chaning ready chakkano. I don't have any words or comment to say on that. Aduga akoy jo brother amaleri ko brother Jodha Kangujam na. Mana haji kana kinom tawri ko. May am jealous ka ba male ay dagi. I don't know, jealous from a 13-year-old girl child. I don't know how does that make sense. Maji, I'm senseless oy hai tare and way behind his brain, way behind his mind. And as he's jealous, manjo kainomta sum he's misleading. Mana na, akwigi mana spread to misinformation. Mana ay buhat na bagida makta. Ay bu sum ay na to iba tabak chibu stop lepan na bagida makta. And I would like to say is that ay bu NGOs ma'am ay nagahantag UN ga ma'am chali je ay naga UN gi bato ma'am to direct UN dagine adugo invitations ma'am je fake ne na hayro adugo mahayro sida ay yung dalaw gingulaw ki fake na ta bro ay UN da wangang bro ngang da bro adu UN da hantag wangang da hadi UN ji da bu ay na ay gi post sida ay na thagalay do link na try ni gabra ga to ida adu link to bu fake ne na hay be bro ne UN gi official link to bu ay speech yaw ina du da ay yung dalaw I know the video thabige aseng manata bro aseng manata di na UN ki office chalo jo ya dubu khangra di I know the takpige kay nom kaite da ang brother kay nom kaite and also at the end nang ayon the bo poster re just yung mathabag to re I am kay nom hatare I am nuaite because at first COVID ki matamda try to remember nang nabo ayon da paraga phone tawraga hare do ke ay iyamba sanjoy bu sum sidore na akoy COVID keep oxygen change na hare do and then what happened was next ay nakaita we na nangi iyamba sanjoy kita makta nangi family kita makta ay no oxygen thaine from Delhi to Manipur ngasi tharga haying yaw gibapot ni ko adu ka bigano I saved his life and adu bukta I was very young at that time Apaba tabak to organ de adu digeng da bida pataba to wuju to de. I know ma misinformation to orga. I know the was him jalaga by jumbling all these words. Sana misinformation spread to jikay kina society jida. And I don't care. Nana, I don't have any business with you going to UN or not. Chaninga chalu, chaninga token, chaninga to. I don't care. I don't give a damn. Do what you want. And amuka hajage, kainunta amik ta doubt lardy for whatever I'm doing. Just come. Just come to my home. I did BBC, Reuters, international media. I'm wangang rabane. Live to wangang rabane. I na bu YouTuber macha ako yung Manipur da bu wangang babu interview to bu ay nakikiki no. Why would I be frightened? Why would I be scared? And also ako yung sisi ako yung turan chanpur da ay na miyam da chatni ga lauto ki ba do. Mana do guma fake kahari do. Yam tabi ada mga tane ko. I have my reasons. I do reasons kang da bida pang tatang misleading words hi di kamento no. Kang da di ayon da lao ayon da phone to si manto no kholi no hi bi abane ko. And I na kay chatri do. Because I have my reasons and let me tell you why. It's because of the government. When ayon da yadrin chalan na ba churan chanpur da. The government stopped me from going there. Intelligence kay kaigi matang odumindaraga. I didn't want it to cause any drama. I had dramas haganing ngadina. I sagad pe. But I didn't want it to have any of that. And as a child, I want peace. Ako yung Manipur gahantag lang gatoki baje. Ay na mating pangge baje mayam kita makta. Yahanda ako yung medical camp kiwaro. Adung bapabat habak mayam tora kanda. Adu tingin bida siyong ba misleading mayam words to kay gino. Adu hanta ki video je ay last clarification. Sida yung matungway na ayam to toro oy. And if you want me to clarify something, come to my house. I do hantag exam toroga. I've been very busy. I'm still a student. Adu ka ubi kanu. Adu ka jealous ka ba mi am ni kay daw ni. Adum hatok na ba tabak daw ni. Ay bu angang ro adu ro. But please remember, because of you people, many people, muy kumbaja sing batorga hatok na batorga atum toy ko. Aduga ay kay nom ta hajege ko akoy gi magi post jo UFO gi maramda yawi ko. Si UFO gi maramda ay lagi hangya hango ay di kay nom kaite. But the truth will come from their mouth only. So based magi from where it's arrived, adu do na hangbiu magi UFO gi Secretary General da dum hangbiu mana dum seng wa kham da dum harani. So contact them. Don't just contact me. Na trusting behind ngati. Aduga amo kay no kangde yuan gi website chi mo fake mo haradi ay naga hajik special envoy ga orezi ako gi Jose Ramos for the president of East Timor. Adu mo fake oy mo haro. Unbelievable. Very senseless. Anyways, I don't care. I will continue doing my work. Ay na miyam gi aphabat-habak tayo je. Adum kanna ay adum honar birake. But ay amutang kahayjage ko. If it reaches to a point, I'm a point reach to kanda. Yam hinjin bahay tare. Mayam no ero. Mi khara no ero. Yam tora kanda. Maybe something will stop me from doing the work. Ay na mayam kita magtatabag ka mayam to bije. I lep ki bayay. But for now I won't obviously because I care about ay ishagi imalebak mo. Am nung shije. Ado ba sinong shiba bije. Ay na sinong shije. Mayam na yung dabuhat na bagita magta. Sinong shiba je. For a second, I forget all of these. So try not to make that happen. Aduga, yeah, imalebak Manipur na afraid. Let's try not to, try not to make people who are trying to do work for a good cause. Let's try not to, backstab them. Mabu, hatok na ba? Kinamakta. Alo day just dagilo siya lagi. You're always free, open to interview me. I don't have any problem. Ay nasay jo panigre. Thank you, ma'am.